Hi, here's Yujin. In this weekly check-in video, I'm going to talk about the basics of dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is actually very closely related to recursion. It is essentially a kind of optimization of recursion. When we see repeated calls for the same inputs, we definitely want to reduce the repeat operations to save time. And actually, dynamic programming helps us to do this by storing the results of these subproblems so that we do not have to recompute them when we need them later. So we can think of dynamic programming as a special way of memorization to save the time. There's a trade-off between space and time for dynamic programming. In this case, we trade space of storing previously calculated results with time saved up from fetching the pre-calculated results directly. So how does dynamic programming actually work? Basically, we break up a problem into a series of overlapping subproblems, and we construct larger and larger subproblems based on the smaller overlapping problems. We keep doing this process until we obtain the final result. So the part of dividing problems into smaller subproblems is pretty similar to the idea of divide and conquer, but the difference is that dynamic programming solves these subproblems layer by layer and interactively. And the build-up of one subproblem may depend on other subproblems. However, divide and conquer handles subproblems in a more independent way. Thank you.